Hey guys, it's Dawson. We're up here on the roof right now. We filmed a video the other day showing you guys clear your drain lines out. Here's another great example of it. Just look at some of the mud and the crud that we pulled out of this unit. We noticed some water back channeling here, so I pulled this off, started to make the clean, and we immediately started to see the sludge that builds up. So here's real proof here how much water can get backed up. Now imagine this is up in your attic in your residential home. I mean, you would have a really bad day if nobody were able to attend to this. So call us today and have us come clean your drain lines out.